Hey guys, Gold Miner here, back with another video. So today we're going to be fixing my tongs. They got out of whack when I was trying to fix them, but today we're going to fix them again and we're going to see what we can do. I got a piece of rebar to shape over it, so we'll see what we can do. Alright, let's see what we're at here. It's a nice red temperature, it's perfect. Yeah, see, they got out of whack here, so I'm gonna try to fix them there. Open them up, put that rebar inside of there, grab that rebar there. And just kind of simply hammer in there. And take that out. Make sure they still close. Perfect. Excellent. I think we fixed them, guys. We fixed them. Yep, I think we fixed it. Let's do the side grips here. Alright, I think that fixes them for now. Let's go cool them off. I have my bucket filled with stuff right now, so I can't really put them in the bucket, cool off. So, yeah, there's that. So, alrighty. That seems to have fixed them for now. We'll just stick them in the furnace, in the forge. To cool off here, to dry them off a little bit. And turn that pressure down a little bit. The forge there, just so it's not so high on it. And just let them cool off a little bit. Take this, move this here for now. Let that dry off there. And there we go. I think we fixed them, guys. There we go. Alright, well that wasn't so bad, was it? Let's test them out here. And grab a piece of... Not moving a little bit. Nope. Not moving. That's good, that's good. Not moving. Not moving at all. That's good. We don't want them to be moving too much. They move a little bit, but not too much. I'll probably go back in with the grinder and grind it down. So, yeah. That's probably what we'll do real quick is go to the grinder and grind them down real quick. Alright, we are here at the workbench. At our little work area here. We got a little thing there, so probably need to change that out here. But we'll see what we can do real quick with this. So, go ahead and Alright, let's go ahead and take them out to the garage. Sorry, my bad, the forge again. And we'll give them a nice little test run here. Probably take out my other hammer here. So let's go ahead and test these out and see how well they do. Right, let's fire up the forge again here. Okay, let's double check to make sure that's in line. Check. Alright, let's go and test out the test that out. We're just gonna use this piece right here of rebar to test it out here. So we'll just grab that piece of rebar. We'll just do a little testing for it, you know. So put it in there, nice and gentle. There we go. We'll let it sit there for a bit. Some gas here. And put this back in here like that with the rest. We'll finish that knife later. But right now, we're gonna test this piece out. So, I'll be back when this is ready, nice and hot. So there's a squirrel right there, as you can see. And they're all like looking at it, like, where's squirrel? There he goes. Look at him. You can't get the squirrel. You can't get the squirrel. Tiger it. You can't get the squirrel. Alright, here we go, guys. And test it out here. There's a bigger hammer out here. I think they work really well, guys. They're not going anywhere. Sturdy, really sturdy. So I think we fixed it. All right. I think we fixed them, guys. I think we fixed them. Well, I think that's it for today. I don't know what else to do, so yeah. Cut the gas off here. Turn the gas off. All right. I think that will do it for now. So I don't think there's anything else we need to do today. And I can successfully say that the tongs are fixed. So that is good. Very, very good. And we made a nice little square there. So yeah, I'd say they're fixed. So yep. Thank you guys for watching the video today. And I know it's a different kind of video, but it just rained, and I think it's gonna rain again, so that sucks. But you know, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and leave a like and comment down below, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what else you guys want me to make. Peace.